We're going to Hong Kong! Kawai! Bibili kami ng Starbucks. Kakabukas niya lang.
Too dramatic overthinking, getting myself worked up over nothing, but baby you
Priority.
enigmatic, but I'm still thinking of you.
We're in Hong Kong. Sinifigure out pa namin kung paano yung commute. Nabili sila ng ticket. Kami ni ate magta-top-top na lang kami ng fees.
And now you're telling me you love me, but you don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you follow me slowly, yeah. Cause I've been thinking lately, if I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light, girl.
Talaga lang kasi ko. On the way to Marriott Hotel.
With you in that dress, girl, there ain't no denying you.
Hi! Mag-room tour tayo. Dito kami nag-stay sa JW Marriott Hotel. Sa right, pag-enter, nandito yung bathroom. Yung bathtub. Tapos yung shower area. It's so nice. Tapos sinabit ko na yung loofah ko dito. Syempre. I love it. Parang gagamitin ko to. Dito na tayo sa, meron ditong full body mirror. Kung mapansin niyo yung tiyan kung mataba na, hindi pa ako nakakatain. Dito, may faucet. So nice! Ito na yung mismong room. TV, here's the view. Dalawang bed. Dito kami ni ate and dito si mommy tsaka si nanay. May mga init na lang coffee, wine or something. And water. Tapos narangan na namin yung ref. That's all. Kapag may bisita, gusto niya mag-usap, isa kayong dalawa. Tapos dito may office area, study table, or kahit ano. That's it for my room tour.
So baby, could I get
We're going to ride the tram.
line so we can do this right?
Sabi ko na amoy ko eh. So hot.
I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you, baby, in a different light.
Don Quijote. First, yung bukas niya. Grapes na gummies. Na so good and yummy. So, isa pa siya. Here. Sausages. Ano tawag dito, Grace? Instant na siya. Pwede mo na siyang kainin. Sausage snack. Favorite niya to. Lagi inuunin mo. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3. Tapos, itong the bitter na dark chocolate. Bitter niya talaga. Bitter. Mukha siyang onion rings. Pero potato lang nakalagay. Gusto ko i-try. Mouth spray ka ate to kasi gusto niya good breath. Ito pala. Dami nito pa ng ganito. Ng grapes. Ng gummy. Smile gummy. Apple bodies. Ang harap. I love it. Green apple. Nag-try mo. Diba? Top. Lastly, ang Alfort mini chocolate. That's all for my dog. Diba? On the cup noodles.
Wala na akong ano.
First time drinking water in a can.
Ang asim-tim. Chirya na. Mamuna na kaya itong part na to?
Ha? Hindi. Lalakig lang ngayon.
Yes.
Wala ka din. Me, that's me.
Good job.
Cute naman, di ba yung star ko?
Yes or no?
Duwa ka.
Wow.
Self.
Bagay ba self?
Self? Bagay ba? Huwag na self.
Yun may taong. Nakaka-review. Ay, nag-toothbrush na ako. Ibang tuwakit sa bagay. Babago rin naman hininga natin.
Self.
Ang ba self? Gutom ka self! Wag self, nakaka-toothbrush mo na. Pero gutom ka self! Hiyaan mo yung bagang mo, may self.
Kadiri ka naman.
Ang
French? Ano yung favorite ka sa akin? Self!
Ang sarap ng selfie lang. May lunch na kami. Saan nyo ito binili?
Cosplay. Hindi.
Saw you walking in the street one day, it was a Sunday. You with flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your
Market lock.
everyone was watching you moving to the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. Girl, you're my hidden nicotine in the morning. Even though you're not good for me, I still
Nahihilo na agad ako.
you drive me crazy, baby, but I adore you. Yeah, you know we got a good connection.
Inat!
So hard to admit it, and I wish that I could quit it, but I always pick it up again. Girl, you're my hidden nicotine in the morning. Even though you're not good for me, I still want it. You drive me crazy, baby, but I adore you. Yeah, you know we got a good connection, but we're headed in the wrong direction. You know we got a good connection.
everybody know. 어젯밤과 함께 떠난 게 넌 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아.